Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll see how to export your WhatsApp chat and also we'll see how to back up all these chats. So first we'll have to open a WhatsApp and click on that chat, and in the three dots, then we'll click on more and export chat. So we'll click on without media, and you can either mail it or we'll send it in WhatsApp directly. We'll send that chat to someone you know. And once we have sent, now we'll open this WhatsApp in our website. So we'll click on WhatsApp web and we can see the QR code. We'll scan that in our WhatsApp app, and by this the WhatsApp will be opened in your PC. And here in that chat you can download the text file, and in this text file all the chat of that person will be saved. So you can save the chat in your personal computer directly. So next, to backup your chat, we'll click on settings and we'll click on chats, and we'll scroll down and we'll click on chat backup, and we'll click on this backup button. So all the files and chats will be saved in your Google Drive, and when you reinstall the app, the chats will be as it is. So that's how you backup your files and export your chat to your personal computer directly. Hope you like this video. Show support by subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.